video, Mark works on his pickup lines.
Just kind of fitted in. Yeah, baby.
Mark talks about puberty.
Boing.
And Mark talks about sex.
And we got good penetration. All I did was hit it with a wire wheel.
And as a bonus, I'm not including prepping and painting the cage. So let's get started.
Alright, we're getting down to the wire. Now the only thing left is to cut these safety wires and remove the cage, and we are down to our diff. And you notice how much this thing went. The boing, because these are tied against that usually, and as you can see, they're not. Well, you can't see there, but you can there. So putting this back together could present a little bit of a challenge, to squeeze it back together. Probably use ratchet straps or wood clamps or something. So we are down to the wire. Just a longer ratchet works. Put your foot up on it. I let it soak with a little PV blaster for a couple of days. Not my favorite. Stuff stinks. But it's pretty effective. I was concerned about how we're going to get all this lined up after we get it all cleaned up and put back together, but it appears that these are kind of tapered. Yep, they are. They're tapered, so alignment should be pretty good. Yes, they're tapered, so everything just kind of line up. So here's the cage. I've got most of the rust off of it. I'm just kind of using the little die grinder to kind of get off the other rust. I've got some holes to weld up, like that one there, and that one there, and there's a big one right there that I'm going to weld up. So I'll be doing that now. And I don't know how well that's going to film, but I'll give it a go. But yeah, this was just all cleaned up with, and this is a finish that I got with this is a finish I got with the soda blaster. So it's actually, it does a really nice job, and doesn't hit the metal. And granted, my nozzle is really, really tiny, so doing this kind of stuff is like cutting the grass with a pair of scissors. It was tedious as hell. And anyway, so here's the cage, and I'm not gonna film me cleaning this up, but I'm just trying to take off some of these weld spatters so when I paint it, it'll be smooth, and I'm Actually, I'm going to use Pour 15. Never used the product. I hear raves about it. Yes, like right here, that needs to be smoothed out. And there's a spot right there that I missed. But yeah, and so we'll get to do this together and see how this all works out. I'm debating on maybe filling some of these welds in just to make it a little bit stronger. I don't know. I could be making a mess, and so when in doubt, do nothing. That's the procrastinistics mantra. Procrastinator. Woo, that was a tough one. Not really. I'm just seeing this here is bent, so I'm gonna probably hammer and dolly some of these edges out. Like you can kind of see the hammer marks right there. There's some hammer marks, so I just hammer and dolly to get that edge flat. But all right, so this is what I've got so far, and it almost fits in there. So actually, I'm just going to take a little off the top there. So I just come over here. Alright. See how that fits? The tighter the fit when you're doing TIG welding, the better. So I can just kind of fit it in. Just kind of fit it in. Yeah, baby. It's a little fiddly. I'm just trying to get it all worked in, and I'm just going to kind of take some of these sharp edges off. And these are, where they're rotted, they're tapered, and so it's kind of best that I take this off, because then I won't burn out this corner. Alright, I finally got it. There's a piece, and it's in. I probably should have taken the mill scale off first, so that's my next challenge. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do that. So I'll be back. Oh, there it is, all welded up and painted. There's one of them right there that I filled. Didn't sand it very good, obviously. And this is the inside. Oh, it's black, you really can't see it. That's the inside of the one hole that I filled, and over here is the other side, which actually turned out really nice. So yeah, I'm pleased with it. It turned out well. I did notice that hole that I welded up, that big nasty one, there actually was a hole. I don't really know if I'm going to need that or not. And I think what I'm going to do here, this is where the exhaust hangers live. I think I'm going to actually sand off the backside and put a piece of steel and thread it so I can just run a screw up into it instead of trying to put a nut on the backside. And then here's another one that I welded up too. That one kind of got a little hot. I burned the end off of it, but I think it's good. I think it's good. Yeah, so we are one step closer to assembly. Just got to clean off the differential and get it all nice and pretty, and yeah, then we're ready to go. And this is all hammered out. This was all dented in. Oh, you know what? I just remembered. I forgot to paint the base plate. I didn't do this. Actually, I probably could have straightened this out a little bit better. It's funny how you can see things when it's painted. Yeah, this side's nice and flat. This side not so much. But, oh well. I think it'll be okay. So, there it is.